Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to crochet single crochet stitches without making a foundation chain first. This method is called the foundation single crochet. Start with a slip knot and place it on your hook. Chain 2. Insert your hook into the first chain, the one closest to the slip knot. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first loop. This creates the base chain. Yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. That's your first single crochet. Now to continue, insert your hook into the base chain of the previous stitch, the bottom V you just created. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first loop to form the next base chain. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's your next single crochet. Repeat steps 7 to 10 for as many stitches as you need. You'll see your crochet grow with both the base chain and single crochets formed together. Neat and stretchy. And that's how you crochet single crochet stitches without a foundation chain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.